All right, well, I'm out of gas, but the Mustang parts, we got them on order. They're coming. We decided to go with disc brakes from who? Scott Drake. Scott Drake. Thank you, Hunter. He keeps me in line. So we're going to go get some tools, and we're going to come back here, and we're going to work on a new project. Hey, well, we're here with Houston. You finally get to meet my boy, my oldest boy.
That's right.
My big stud here. He ordered these. We're starting on his Jeep, so he ordered these. He done bought the stuff to spray the bed. I mean the floor pans.
Yeah.
And look, he bought him some BF Goodwrench floor mats, and he had to go a little bougie and buy an aux cord because his, you know, this is an vintage, and some 3M tape to mount these things. So what we'll show you some pictures of what this. We have done some stuff on this. We put this on. He's bought new rims and tires because it was stock, looked like an old man's Jeep. You come this way, he put in some rough country seat covers in the back and front. He put the sound bar, the cushions, the handles, cup holder. Next, what are you doing?
As well.
Oh, radio, an amp. You know, he's getting some more kicker stuff. So what Houston's going to do is tell us, Houston, what you want to do.
Well, we got a step bar that we're going to put on.
Yeah, we've had that for a while.
And then I plan on getting some new flares and probably 2.5 or 3 inch lift and some bigger tires and a back bumper and a spare tire as well. And then maybe a new soft top.
So this is going to be another one of our builds that we do.
For Houston Price.
That's right.
He's going to become part of the team even if he likes it or not. Get your eye at it too, buddy. You were the eyeball.
Right there.
That's good, yeah.
Yeah, make sure you push it all the way back.
Oh, that fits on there good.
That looks good too.
Oh, we'll get all this off.
Yeah, all that.
I might get some stuff that can get it off there because it might be easier to put something on it to get it off.
I need some touch-up
You gotta
paint
spray
right
it down.
Yeah, we need to get some red touch-up paint. Dang, Houston, that looks good. That thing's on there.
3M?
3M. Gosh, that's good
there.
stuff.
Shut the door and see if it.
Make sure it's all right, guys. Y'all help me. What is that? Look right?
Yeah, there should.
Right there. Once it's stuck, boys. Once it's gone, it's gone. Look at his floor mats. He can clean out easier. We're going to spray all this though with that rhino liner.
Right.
Man, these are easy seats to take out too. They're just
2 bolts.
2
on each side.
4 bolts, and they're out.
Man, I wish we could do that today. That would look so good.
Yeah, but so we're going to take these old man step bars off. You know what? We might keep this piece of steel right here.
Yeah.
Might have a plan for it. But first we're going to take these off and hopefully we can get his new body armor on here. Alright, so I'll get started here with whatever size this is. I hope it's standard, please. Don't be metric. Because Hunter's deep wheel. Or we could probably do it from the top, you know?
Nope.
Okay, good.
You can't.
Okay. Well, oh, you can't? We're bringing a new drill into the show.
So we're going to do everything with this drill right here. So if they want to sponsor us, just
hit us up, please. We need it. Don't let us get you bad. Are you sure there's nothing up there to... That one come off.
There's nothing. It's
Just like right in here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it's... I see what you're saying.
It's like a flat piece. What's rounded is just don't have anything for a socket.
Yeah. channel locks might work. Oh,
Watch your head.
dang Jeeps.
We should just.
We're about to run down here to O'Reilly's because we wore these Harbor Freight bits out. I mean, this one ain't drill anymore. We got one side on and wore it out. I broke 3 bits and wore out 2.
3.
3?
Yep.
We're out 3. So I've run 6 bits. $10 though, so I'm not going to complain. We done one side.
So now we gotta go get some more.
Now we'll go buy some more from our local O'Reilly's. Well, we got these on. Look at this. Those look good.
Looks real good.
Yeah, it took a little bit because, man, we went through some drill bits on this thing. We got this one on. We just got to clean it up. It's a little dirty
From storage.
but it's gonna look good because when it gets his fender flares, we'll take these off. But we got, look what else we done. Well, this is what he done today. It's gonna look good whenever we get it done. Hold on, let's show them the other side first. What it looked like. Okay. That's what it looked like. Looks horrible. Now, that's what it looks like.
Looks good.
Looks good. So, we're gonna take out tomorrow, if it's not raining, we're gonna take out all the seats and do it all.
Man, it's
And we got it. Yeah, it's really strong. So, and we got some new speakers go in there. So if anyone wants these, $40. $40. So, well, this will be the end of this one. We'll get back to the Mustang when our parts get here. They should be here soon.
Maybe 2 weeks.
2 weeks. So we'll work on this for a while and upgrade this Jeep. Hopefully he'll order some stuff so we can
Do some more work on it.
get it lifted.
Yeah.
We're gonna go from, what are these?
These are 23-inch tires.
27.
Oh, 23.
23?
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna go from 23s to 31s.
Yeah.
But we gotta put the lift on.
2.5-inch lift.
2.5, I'm gonna try to talk to maybe 4. Lift it up. Cause I mean, look, so we got these. We put this on for him.
Yeah, it matches.
So they match. So we might make him a winch plate.
Yeah.
That might be. So we're looking for something to fabricate because we talked ourselves out of everything on the Mustang. So why not just build a winch plate? I mean, how bad could that be?
We'll find out.
We'll find out. And we're thinking about making some custom angry eyes. Now I just got to find out what color this is so we can paint it. Make it look mean right there. Get a big winch and put a light bar here, some lights there.
It's gonna look good.
Make it look good. We'll catch you next time, guys. Hey, like and subscribe, okay? Give us some ideas of what we could do to this.
Yeah, it's old 95.
Old 95 YJ. It's a good Jeep. One owner until we got it. Now it's like 15 owners just because of his driving. We're thinking about putting a bumper jack up here. Just give us some comment down there and let us know what we should do on here. All right, guys. We'll see you later.